Alright, what's going on, guys? Cybex Trades here, or yeah, here back with another trade recap, monthly trade recap. Well overdue by about 6 days, basically. I don't even know why I just pulled that up when I could just look at the date. Anyways, we're gonna forget about that. So today, recapping August is trading month. Overall, a very tricky month. Had to be very selective, if I'm being honest. And overall, it did end the month green. Had definitely had a couple of fumbles. I think two or three major fumbles. But overall, very good trading month in my opinion. This was the first month where I really focused and locked in terms of really focusing and waking up on time. In the past I've said that's one of the main things that I've really working on in terms of like discipline and routine and habit. And yeah, so just to recap it real quick, first week, three, green P&L, ended the week green, nice trades. I think the biggest ones were on AMD calls, right off open. I believe it was a break and retest, gap fill long. I actually remember this. So yeah, a very nice trade. And then the second one was, I believe, second bigger one was the 11th. Actually, I took a vacation to South Korea from the 11th to all the way to the 28th, and I was still trading during this time because it was the market opened there at 10:30 p.m. and I was like, you know what, not a good idea to be honest with you, but I was like, you know what, let me see what it's like to just um, trade from that time zone and trade while being on a vacation and whatnot. So very interesting. And then yeah, then we had some red days here and there. Overall still being adjusting to the market conditions and whatnot, and then green days here and there. And any QQQ ones that I've seen, any QQQ callouts, most likely is signal from one of my trading mentors and individuals that I look up to, Ace Trades, and I would highly recommend following him, Ace Trades on Twitter. If you guys can't find him, just look at who I'm following and should be able to find him. But yeah, overall, first week green, second week green, third week green, and then the fourth week, I believe, actually there's a major fumble. Fourth week green red due to, I believe it was, which month was it? Yeah, so it was this one. This week would have been much greener. I accidentally, for some reason, Interactive Brokers. Actually, no, this was me. I oversized on this signal. This was a signal play, and I oversized on this. But I did catch it late into the day with the TEM ticker symbol TEM for a break and retest long above 79 key level, which was net ROI was just insane. Almost made like 400% on this 0DT Friday, as you guys can see. But overall, a very good trading month. Ended at green. That's all that matters. Just really building that consistency and focus. I could really give two shits less on P&L wise because all the differences between this and you know bigger P&L days for other traders or whatever you see is just account size. I mean, I'm playing with a literally like a 1500 account size, $1,500 account size. Now it's at close to 2K, and we're gonna slowly just grow that, especially these market conditions. August has been a very overall slowy, grindy price action in terms of the indices at least. Individual names, there's definitely definitely had been way more opportunities. I just wasn't really too locked in and wasn't able to size in too heavy because of 2 weeks away and also the first week and whatnot. But yeah, then coming to August so far, starting at green, major fumble this week on Amazon and Tesla. If you guys know Tesla 350 level breakout catalyst, and then Amazon huge gap up play. I believe it was on a Thursday. Yeah, or I think it was a Thursday, or I don't even know. Yeah, but anyways, overall, very great month. A lot of things to reflect on, a lot of things I did right. And in terms of my execution, it has been good. I just need to get better at trimming, being up really nicely and understanding that the ATR of the move and expected EV. But yeah, hopefully August has been good to you guys, and you guys were at least able to walk away with some green or break even to just get that experience or what do you call it, intuition built up. But yeah, thank you guys, and yeah.